My name's Faris here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter T28 panel van. This vehicle comes in the long wheelbase format and features a 2-litre TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes with a 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This example comes finished in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey. Taking a look at some of the front exterior features includes twin chrome stripes across the radiator grille as well as a body coloured front bumper. Set into the lower portion of the front bumper is a set of parking sensors as well as a set of front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below and across all four wheels we'll find the 16-inch Clayton alloy wheels. The van also comes with a full-size steel spare wheel. Towards the rear of the van we'll find the rear loading barn doors. Dotted along the rear bumper is also a set of rear parking sensors helping you when parking and manoeuvring. Taking a look behind the doors and into the load area of the vehicle, it comes in a factory fresh condition with multiple lashing points dotted throughout the load area floor. A full steel black bulkhead separates the load area from the cab, and access into the passenger area can also be found on the passenger side of the vehicle. A single sliding door allows a wide access point into the rear of the vehicle. There is also 2 LED spot lamps for illumination. A step on the side gives even easier access into the back. Up front in the driver's cab area there is a twin armrest seat for the driver. Next to this we'll find a twin-seater passenger bench with some under-seat storage. The seats come finished in the bricks woven fabric cloth upholstery, and in the forms of entertainment in the centre of the dash we'll find a 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system. This system allows users to access all their favourite radio stations as well as utilise the App Connect feature, allowing you to connect your smartphone device to the vehicle using Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. Just beneath the touchscreen are the climate controls for the vehicle. The van comes with climatic air conditioning, and further down and to the left we'll find a 12V and 2 USB Type-C charging points, which is handy for keeping those smart devices charged while on the go. The driver also has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather trimmed steering wheel. That concludes this 360 walk around of this approved used T28 Transporter Highline. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.